welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I'm going to give a quick shout out. Hey girl, thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So let's jump right into today's video, don't we always? We're going to start off with my soft gel full nail covers. I'm using the style extra short and you can purchase these in my Etsy shop. The link as always is down below, but I love these if you're someone that has a job that requires you to have short nails, if you're a mother or whatever the case may be, even if you just prefer short nails, these are perfect. They're the perfect length, they're the perfect size, and they're pre-shaped, so it does all the work for you. So you just saw me sizing them out. For Polygel, I'm going in with my For Polygel, I'm going in with my Bellavena Dallas. I believe that's how you say it, Polygel. And here are the swatches. This is from the nude collection that they sell. So I actually got these in PR a while ago, like a long time ago, probably over a year ago. And I guess they're just becoming popular because I got a ton of comments asking me to review the Polygel. So I'm going to use the whole system again today, but I do have another video using this in a more in-depth review of it. Basically, long story short, I like it. I think it's great. I love the nude colors, so if you guys are interested in purchasing, I recommend it. And if I link that old video, I do have a discount code in that video for this Polygel set. I wonder why everybody keeps asking about it. Is it like famous on TikTok or something? I don't know. Let me know. But for my slip solution, I'm going to use their slip that came with it. And I did mix it with a little bit of alcohol because I didn't have that much of it left. But I remember when I used the whole system alone, I really enjoyed it. There was only one thing I didn't like about it, but we'll get to that later in the video. But you guys have seen me do this 1,000 times before. All I'm doing is going in my full nail covers, adding the Polygel, making sure that the cuticle area has a little bit less Polygel and is more flushed, and that's it. It's super easy. Like, it does not get any easier than this. And since they're so short, the Polygel tubes are going to last you a long time because their Polygel tubes are small. So if you do long nails, they won't last you a long time, but if you do short nails like this, they're going to last you a while. So yeah, I'm just going in and I'm just flash curing in the lamp. I'm not fully curing. And at the end, after I'm finished all 5 fingers, that's when I go in and fully cure for about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. Just depends. Some polygels need longer. This one is one that's pretty average. So all I'm doing now is going in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol, and I'm wiping my nails down before we begin filing. For my nail file, I'm using an 80/80 grit nail file from Amazon, and as always, you can check out my Amazon storefront for the link. I only use 80/80 grit files now. Don't use 100/180. Ew. 80/80 grit makes life so much easier. The grit is harder, so it's just like, if you want sharp filed nails, go for 80/80. Wiping my nails down one more time and just brushing them off to get all the dust off. At this point, I would go ahead and use a sink and wash your hands if you were doing these, for your real nails. As you guys know, in my videos, I always use a peel off base coat. Well, for some of them, but this one was just one of my, designs that I do, I'm just popping these right off. So if I wash it, my fingers will come off, but I would recommend you wash your hands. Okay, so now we're going to use the top coat, and this is the only part of the system that I didn't really care for too much. The top coat is a little bit, first of all, the top coat is like every other top coat that you get from Ohuhu Polygel kits, and there's another brand that has the same top coat. You can tell it's the same because one, the bottle is the same, it's just a different sticker, and two, it's a really thick consistency. And I, for one, don't like really thick gel top coats because they can bubble and it's just too thick. Like, I don't like it. So that's the only thing. I mean, it's not horrible, but I don't really know a way to thin it out, but I prefer the Model 1's top coat. I don't know, even the shape of the brush is like perfect to me. So that's the only thing I didn't like too much about this kit. But now we're going to go ahead and get into a design. We're doing a really cute, simple design. You can do this with gold or you could do this with silver. I chose to go for the gold, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. It was super easy. So if you're, not the best at doing designs, this one is going to be perfect for you. So I'm going in with these. I have no clue what these are actually called. I call them line stripes. Line stripe stickers. I don't know, but I'm just going to go in with that, take some cuticle clippers, clip them, and then I'm just going to line it at the top and bottom, and then in the middle we're just going to fill it with some gold polish. So it's super easy. I'm using a cuticle pusher to make sure that the gold line stripe is really secured on there. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me do the design. It's too easy. I'm just going to mention the products that I use. So I use the cuticle pusher, I use the cuticle cutter, and then I also use a gold polish by Beetles and a liner brush by Shein. So here's the gel polish I use. I use 584 by Beetles, and this is my absolute favorite gold polish. I absolutely love this gold polish. I wish you could get it individually. You might be able to, I'm not sure, but I love this gold polish. And I'm just going to take, like I said, the Shein liner brush and apply that in between the lines I did and cure. Also want to mention that I'm using a different type of like music in my videos. Let me know if you guys like it or not. I looked up some reworked versions of like Drake and everything because I feel like my music starts to get really repetitive. Let me know if you're feeling it or if you're not feeling it. Let me know if you want to go back to my regular no lyrics music.
Saying I'm done playing. Last time it's on the outro. Stuck in the house, need to get out more. I've been stacking up like I'm fundraising. Most people in my position get complacent. Come places with star girls. End up on the front pages. I'm quiet with it, I just ride with it. The moment I stop having fun with it, I'll be done with it. I'm the only one that's putting shots up, and like a potluck, you need to come with it. Don't run from it. H-Town in the summertime, I keep it 100. A lot of girls in my times there. Word of Paul Wall, not one fronted.
So the last and of course my favorite final step is the cuticle oil. So today I used the scent Strawberry. Absolutely love these cuticle pens. I'm just going in and applying that to my cuticles. These are perfect if you do your nails often and your nails get cute dry, especially in the winter time. You can throw these in your purse and go. But here are the final results. I honestly love these nails. I'll probably do these for my real nails for work this week. Actually, no, I'm doing Valentine's Day nails. But these are adorable. I think the design is super easy, super cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for rocking with me, supporting my channel, and watching. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Uh.